Hello students, welcome to Business Management classes with Dr. N. Sriram. Welcome to our session on strategic analysis and tools. In this lecture, we will focus on bachelor level understanding. We will go through definitions, frameworks, and apply them to TESCO as a case study. The goal is clarity, simplicity, and application. Hello, I am Dr. N. Sriram, holding PhD with specialization in business management and a certified management accountant from Australia. I am also holding a practitioner status from Chartered Quality Institute, London. I conduct classes for undergraduate and postgraduate students based in India and overseas. With vast professional experience gained working at a Swiss MNC based out of Geneva at the director level position, I integrate traditional teaching with real life examples. I am also a faculty in World Economic Council based out of New Delhi. Having successfully taught, trained over 500 professionals who have gone on to take up leadership positions in various companies. My aim is to make today's students future leaders of tomorrow. I am available to conduct classes for students based in India and abroad based on their university curriculum and at students' convenience. For discussions, you can reach out to me on my mobile at 00919789843327. Now let's begin with key definitions. The macro environment refers to broad external forces that affect all firms, like politics, economics, society, technology, environment, and law, which is known as PESTEL. The microenvironment involves customers, suppliers, and competitors. Industry analysis studies the profit drivers and structure of a sector, while competitor analysis looks closely at rivals' strengths and strategies. Strategic positioning is about where and how a firm competes. The Ansoff matrix gives us growth strategies, market penetration, product development, market development, and diversification. The BCG matrix classifies products as stars, cash cows, dogs, or question mark. The GE McKinsey matrix is a more advanced version that compares units on attractiveness and strength. The value chain refers to the set of activities that add value to a product or service. Scenario planning explores possible futures, preparing businesses for uncertainty. Risk assessment identifies and prioritizes potential issues. With these definitions in place, we can apply the tools step by step. Environmental analysis often uses PESTEL, political and legal factors, including regulations, and laws. Economic factors cover inflation, interest rates, and income. Social and technological forces involve demographics and digital adoption. Environmental factors include climate change and sustainability. Industry and competitor analysis is often done with Porter's five forces. Rivalry shows how competitive the sector is. Entry barriers are obstacles for new players. Buyer and supplier power can shift profits in the chain. Substitutes are alternative products that affect demand. Strategic positioning tools guide decision making. Hands-off frames growth options. The BCG matrix helps allocate resources across products. The GE McKinsey matrix compares different units in a portfolio. Linking these tools to the value chain ensures strategies are realistic. Porter's value chain breaks activities into primary and support areas. Primary activities include inbound logistics, operations, outbound logistics, marketing, and service. Support activities include infrastructure, HR, technology, and procurement. Analyzing each helps identify cost drivers and opportunities for differentiation. Scenario planning explores different futures. Risk assessment evaluates uncertainties on their impact. The process helps businesses anticipate change and design mitigation strategies. This makes organizations more resilient and adaptable. An important feature which is available to all students is how to answer examination questions. I am here to help you with step by step, giving you, assisting you in all possible manner to pass over the examinations. Now we look into case study of Tesco UK, which is a grocery market. Tesco competes with Aldi, Lidl, Sainsbury, and Asda. We use the tools to analyze Tesco's situation and show how insights connect to real actions. The focus is on food retail formats, private labels, and online grocery. Tesco's Pestle analysis shows strong regulation around competition and food safety. Economic pressures include rising costs and the cost of living crisis. Social and technological shifts include demand for online shopping and convenience. Environmental pressures push for packaging reduction and sustainability. Using five forces, rivalry is intense due to price wars with discounts. Entry barriers are moderate but not impossible for new players. Buyer power is high because customers can switch easily. Substitutes include meal kits and restaurants which divert food spending. Tesco's positioning blends value leadership with quality in selected areas. Club card pricing builds loyalty and strengthens price perception. Different store formats target convenience or variety. Online delivery expands reach and protects market share. Hands-off matrix examples for Tesco. Penetration through club card discounts, product development with private labels, market development via online grocery, and diversification into services like banking. Each move has a different level of risk and reward. BCG analysis shows Tesco's online grocery is a star, growing fast with strong share. Private labels are cash cows, funding other investments. Convenience stores may be question marks, needing more scale. Some categories risk becoming dogs and may be reduced. Tesco's value chain. Inbound logistics rely on supplier collaboration to cut costs. Operations involve efficient distribution centers. Marketing uses club card data for personalization. Service includes delivery reliability and customer support. Tesco faces different scenarios and risks. If inflation continues, discounters remain a threat, and Tesco must push value lines. If digital adoption accelerates, Tesco must invest more on online operations. Key risks include supply shocks and regulation. Mitigation involve suppliers diversity, energy hedging, and loyalty offers.